Hi, Helena here from Wolfnest Property Management with another video on how much down payment do you need for an investment property in Utah. Today, an increasing number of people are interested in real estate investing in Salt Lake City as a long-term means of generating extra income and growing net worth. However, it's essential to know what you're required to give down as a down payment on your investment property before investing in real estate. The biggest obstacle to purchasing for the majority of Utah real estate investors is finding the next down payment for a rental property. The adage, "it takes money to make money," has never been more true in the world of real estate investing. So how much down payment do you need to put on an investment property? Traditionally, a rental property will need a down payment of 15 and 25% of the total purchase price. However, the sum will vary depending on what kind of financing is chosen for the investment. Many real estate investors in Salt Lake City and elsewhere in the U.S. believe that they need to put down a 20% when using traditional financing. However, this is a requirement for home buyers who want to dodge private mortgage insurance. The expected down payment will depend on a number of financial factors if investors decide to use traditional lenders to finance their rental property. Conversely, investors that deal with private money lenders or alternative forms of financing have more flexible loan terms. The loan terms will be determined by these lenders with the borrower and the rental property in mind, possibly allowing for a larger down payment requirements. Real estate investors in Utah should therefore investigate financing options to determine the minimal down payment they will require and start from there. Generally speaking, a minimum 15% down payment is required for an investment property in Salt Lake City, Utah. However, a number of other variables, including debt-to-income ratio, your credit score, loan program, and property type, affect the down payment you're needed to make. Here's the minimum down payments you need on an investment property. For a conventional loan, you need 15%, conventional multifamily, 25%, an FHA loan is 3.5%, and a VA loan is 0. What are the factors? There are a number of factors that related to the investor's financial situation that can impact the amount of down payment needed. The majority of vendors use an investor's credit score and debt-to-income ratio when determining the amount of down payment required. For instance, investors with credit scores higher than 700 may be able to put down as little as 15%. On the other hand, investors with credit scores under 640 should be ready to be put down 25% of the purchase price. Another factor that can impact how much of a down payment is needed when purchasing an investment property is whether or not the investor intends to live in the property. A smaller down payment might be required from investors who buy a duplex or multifamily building and live in one of the units. Furthermore, investors can put down as little as 3.5% on a primary residence with up to 4 units, thanks to financing options like an FHA loan. In general, the amount of the down payment will depend on the investor's financial history, requirements of the lender, and the type of investment being made. Contact a lender for more information, and if you are looking for a property management company to help you with those rental agreements, contact us today at Wolfnest, and we can show you more about how you can increase your net worth.